Fungus. Has anyone tried stir-frying black fungus with eggs?
Today's recipe is spicy, appetizing, and goes great with rice. It's my first time making it, and my whole family really enjoyed it. I hope you'll like it too. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. The ingredients are super simple. Just black fungus, eggs, and your favorite spicy sauce. Personally, I only like the Hadelao flavor. You can also scan the QR code to buy it on Shopee. Black fungus should be washed thoroughly and the tough parts trimmed off, as they are hard to digest and don't taste good. You can also cut the fungus into bite-sized pieces. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them until well mixed. You can also add a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Heat the pan at all, then scramble the eggs and set them aside. Adjust the number of eggs based on how many people you're cooking for. It's totally flexible. Personally, I recommend not overcooking the eggs. A tender, soft texture is best. The recipe says to stir-fry the black fungus in spicy oil, but I found it turns out quite greasy this way. I recommend using less spicy oil and adding spicy sauce instead at this stage. If it's too dry, add water along the edge of the pan and stir-fry with the lid on until the black fungus is fully cooked. Black fungus typically cooks through in about 2 to 3 minutes of stir-frying over high heat. When the pieces turn soft, slightly translucent, and shrink a bit, they're done. Overcooking can make it lose its chewy texture, so keep an eye on it while cooking. Once the black fungus is cooked, add the scrambled eggs at the end and give everything a quick stir to mix. Seasoning is totally flexible. I didn't add any salt myself, so adjust it according to your own taste. And just like that, a simple, appetizing homemade dish is ready. Transfer it to a plate and enjoy. This home-style scrambled egg dish is simple to make, and I really enjoy it. It's just a bit on the greasy side. By paying a little more attention to the amount of spicy oil used, everyone can easily make a healthier version of this stir-fry. The spicy sauce infuses the black fungus and eggs with a savory, appetizing heat, making it perfect with rice. The texture is wonderfully layered, crispy fungus, tender eggs, and rich sauce. Overall, it's a flavorful and satisfying dish, simple yet deeply comforting. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein and lecithin, while black fungus provides dietary fiber and iron, creating a nutritionally balanced combination. Moderate consumption can help boost energy and aid digestion, though attention should be paid to the amount of oil used to manage fat intake. Overall, it is a nutritionally balanced home-style dish that satisfies both taste and health considerations. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.